Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Today on behalf of CCTV desk, we come up with new video. Today we are going to discuss with you one of the most waiting apps on Windows, TP-Link Tapo for PC. So basically in this video we are going to discuss with you what is TP-Link Tapo for PC, what are its feature and function, and after that we'll tell you minimum system requirement, and the most important thing, we will tell you that how you get the apps on Windows, how you download that app, and after that we will tell you that how you configure to make the camera live and able to access all its feature. So keep watching till end. This video is very different from all the other videos because TP-Link Tapo for PC isn't available by TP-Link. So we tried hard to try this camera on many software. When we finally confirm that it's run smoothly on this particular software, then we'll tell you in front of you. Okay, so right now that what is TP-Link Tapo for PC actually is. Basically it is a CMS. It is used to connect as well as control the TP-Link Tapo camera on your PC. Even not only you can access the live view, you are able to pan, tilt and zoom. You can see the multiple channel at a time, means you are add many number of cameras on this software. You watch the recording of the cameras, you take the snapshot of the video, you save the live view of the camera, you can adjust the image parameter like color, brightness, etc. You can do anything. Just like a CMS provided by any company. So let's start. Okay, so for that you should open your Chrome browser or any browser. Okay, and you should search for the software NVMS Lite. Okay, now you see that in this site you get for Windows, even you get for the Mac, and this software runs TP-Link Tapo camera very well, and I will tell you that how you can run that software lively. Okay, so first thing you should do, you should download this software. Okay, and click on this and it will redirect to a page. And so but I already downloaded. Just go to the download folder and just go to the download folder, and here is your file. So right click on this file and click as run as administrator. Okay, and now go to the press OK and start extracting. One more thing, that this video is very different from all the other video available for TP-Link Tapo for PC, because in this video we run the sub camera in a very soft and smooth manner. You can control all the parameter that you can do by the apps. So I see the video, lot of videos on the YouTube, but I'm not criticizing any video, but we are not much confidence about any video that the way they are adding. Okay, just click next and start installing. So in this video we are going to discuss a very smooth manner to run it, and not only run it but you can manage all the function. So you should watch the video entirely, because some minute steps start from after installation of this software that you should know. Okay, and we go to the screen also to let you know that what you should follow. Now just click on the launch software. Okay, now log in with the default username and password. And click login. Okay, You need to not to insert password again and again. Just skip this, and this is the storage. This is the interface of this software. Okay. Now what should you do? Just minimize the software, and now please listen me very carefully, because from here the video is very technical. Very carefully, and if you have any doubt, you can call me, you can message me. Okay. So now I will go to the mobile screen from here, and after that we'll come again to the, now we come in at our mobile screen. The first thing you should do, you should open TP-Link Tapo app and click on the camera, and after that you should click on this pentagon icon on the top right corner. Okay, and here after that you should click on the device info, and here you find default IP address. So, but the problem is that this camera comes with a DHCP enabled. Okay, so each and every time you find a different IP address. Whenever your router start, you find a different IP address. For right now we have a 192.1.1, and the next time even you get to 1.11 or something else. So first thing you should do that you should fix this IP address. So, but there is no way to log in this 192.168 on your system to open and disable DHCP. So you can't do this kind of things in this camera. Okay, so this is the main task. So hope you understand that how I will tell you that how you do this by using your router. So first thing you should do, that you should write down this IP address 192.168, whatever is given here. Okay. So note down this IP address, and after that again click on this pentagon icon and go to the advanced setting. Okay, and go to the camera account. If you are installing it first time, then you should create a new username and password. I already make it, so I know that what is my username and password. If you creating first time, then you should note down that username and password. So from this camera you should write down the IP address and go to the advanced option and go write down your username and password. That need to be write anywhere, in either in the PC or wherever, on your notebook, wherever you want. So this thing you should note down from this app. Okay, and if you want to know that how you set up connect camera with this app and install on your mobile phone, then for that we have a separate video. We will give it a link in the description. Okay, now this all you need to do in the app or in the mobile, and now after that I will again go to the computer screen. Okay, so let's go on the computer screen. Now again we come to our computer screen, and what should we do? That we should log in our router. Okay, so now I open my router. Okay, now why we log in the router? That we need to fix that one IP address. Okay, for that I should go to the option. Each and every router have a different interface, so don't be confused. Just try to understand what we are doing and try to search in your router. Okay, and we go to the network option, and first we go to the option that is if my camera is connected with this Wi-Fi network, then we also get this IP address from here also. Okay, just go to this option and go to the, and here you find the list of IP address connected with my router. So here you find that my camera is connected right now here, right? Okay, and this is the MAC address. Okay, now what we should do, we should bind this MAC address with this IP address, so that it won't be again, because there are IPs assigned by the router. If we fix it in the router, then the camera IP become fixed. Okay, so here we should see that we get the IP address from the app, and here we should also see the same IP address, and here is our MAC address. Okay, now go to the option application, and go to the option NAT, and go to the option network and go to the option LAN. Here you find that option MAC based assignment. Okay, so maybe you get that this option in your router in a different name, but hope you understand. First thing, you should try to find the option where how much device is connected with the router. Second thing, you should bind the MAC address with the IP. Here I find the option MAC based assignment. Just click on this. When I click on this, you see that here I should enter MAC address like this, and just click on enable, and here I should enter my IP address and click assign IP. When I click on the assign IP, here I found that my IP is assigned with this my MAC address. Okay, right? Okay, so hope you clear this thing. Now your IP is fixed. After that, you should open the software. Okay, and go to the resource management, and here you find this add. So you see that my camera is detected. Okay, just click on this and click OK. So camera is start adding, but it won't add. Why this not add? Because you make a username and password, which I tell earlier in this video to note down. So you should enter that username and password. Just click on this and click. Here you find the modify address. Just click modify, and here please enter the username and the password that you note down. Okay. And this camera port is 2020. Now click OK. Okay, now go to the home page and go to the video preview, and just click the default area. Just click on this. Just double click the camera. Now your camera comes live. Okay, and even you can, here you find a Tapo link here, and you can zoom in, zoom out, whatever you want. Okay, like just click on the PTZ option, and you want to increase it, zoom in, just rotate the camera. You can see that camera is rotating. So you can manage all the things, zoom in, zoom out, even preset, all the things you can do from here. Okay, and if you want to change the setting of the camera, you can do all the things from here, like show SD name. Okay, like image setting, just click on that. You can change the brightness, saturation. For example, I will change the brightness from here. All that I do from the here. Okay, just click default and apply. Here you find the motion detection, all the thing you can find here. Okay, so you can control all the setting. Now just close this button, and there is another way of adding. For example, it searches the camera automatically. Sometime it won't search. Okay, let's just delete it. And you know that IP address from router and from the app, and you fix it. After that, just click on the add, and here you find the option manually add, like this. Click on the manually add, and here you should enter your default IP address that you note down, and just click on with device, and here you should enter port number and here you should enter username, and here is the password. And again I tell you that please note down that username and password in the app and click test. Okay, now this test succeeded. And if you want to make the area, here you should make the default area, create area. You can do everything that I will tell separately. You can watch the about this software on my video that NVMS. I will give description of that video also. Okay, you can watch that how you control this software. Just click OK. Now see that camera comes online. Again go to the home page and go to the dashboard. Sorry, go to the video preview. Just click the area, double click it, and your camera comes online. Okay, now this is the way of adding the camera. Now this is the way that how you add the camera locally. Now I will tell you that how you add camera, that it can be accessed from anywhere. Okay, means you want to connect the Tapo camera from in this software by using a remotely, or you can remotely add Tapo link camera in this software. So for that, again you should open the router. Let's go to the option, again go to the router. Okay, and go to the network service. Basically you should open port 2020. Okay, first way of this, that you should click on security option and go to the option IP and port filtering or DMZ. So basically you should find two options in your router. Maybe you have a different router, and so basically you should go to the option DMZ or IP port forwarding. Okay, so when you do this, click on the DMZ. I need to log in again, so just go to the option. In my router it comes under the option security, and go to the option DMZ. When you DMZ, here you find that my is enabled. So what you should do, if it disabled, just go to this option and insert your local IP here. You don't need anything. Okay, the IP you note down, that IP you get from your router and from the app, you should enter that IP address and click on the apply changes. Only you should do that. Okay, and after that, if you take static IP, and you should check whether your port is open or closed. Okay, for that you should Google it, check open port. Okay, and click here. Here is my default IP address, and here is port. Here you should enter port number and please check. Now you should find that option is this port is closed. But when you get a static IP address and you call your ISP, mean here you write that some such port often blocked by ISP. You should call your ISP, means internet provider, from which company you are taking internet. You should call and you should tell him that please open the port 2020. Okay, when you do it, you find the port is open is here, and after that just close this. Another way of doing this is that you should forward the port from your router. Okay, just go to the option IP and port filtering. Just go to the application option and go to the net option. Here you find under net option you find port forwarding. In your router, again I will saying that in your router there is a different option. You find a port forwarding option in different place. So here you should anything like this, and again put your IP address here, and again put your port 2020 here, and again just pick that anything here. Here you should take both TCP and UDP both. Okay, in TP-Link router you have a different way, in a D-Link router you have a different way. So you can manage according to your choice. Okay, and go to the option apply changes. Okay, now you should close when you open the port, you should close the option DMZ, disable it, and again go to the net option, go to the add option, and here you find that your option is add. Again go to the check open port, okay, again it's saying that port 22 is closed. Now I call my ISP to open my port. Okay, and to do the same setting from here, either you should enable DMZ or you should enable port forwarding, any among them. Okay, so after that, once port is open and you do the port forwarding or DMZ whatever, go to the software again. Okay, and note down the IP address from this. Here you find that my static IP is this. Okay, just copy this and go to the software, and again go to the resource management and go to the add option, and go to the memory add. Here you should enter that IP address, like, okay, and go to the on-web device and again enter the port and go to the username and password. Please don't be confused here. In both cases, this is the username and password of the camera. Okay, that I will tell you that to note down that address. Okay, and click OK. You see that start adding, and just go to the video preview. Okay, so this camera, and just double click the camera, again just double click here, your camera comes online like this. Okay, so this is the way of adding remotely. So hope you like our video. So thanks for watching. Thank you once again. Thank you. Have a nice day.